The company sent me these sponges to do a review on, and I am so excited to get these. They are so amazing, and I'm going to show you exactly how they work. So these magical dust sponges are really nice and fluffy and soft whenever they come in. They are pre-moistened, but if they're not, you can run them underwater, squeeze out the excess, and wait about 30 seconds, and then you can start cleaning. So they have the little ridges and dents in them, and it really helps to hold on to all of the dust that you are going to be collecting. And the cool thing about this sponge, since it's wet, it is not going to be letting all of your dust particles just float around in the air. Gross. Check that out. That is just from one fan blade. Oh my gosh, that's so embarrassing. But anyway, super easy cleanup. You can run it underwater in your sink or take it outside to your garden hose if you don't want that going into your drain. And clean up is a breeze. This was a very neglected little cabinet that I had in my bathroom, and it got very dusty, and I was able to clean that up in no time. So if you're looking for something that helps you get all of the dust collected, see, right there, it stayed on the sponge. If you're looking for something that keeps the dust on your sponge, you're going to want to get this sponge. It is really beautiful. It's really soft and squishy, and it makes cleaning up very easy. Once again, underneath your water faucet or your garden hose if you want to go outside. And after cleaning it, you're going to store in a dry place and avoid the sun exposure until the next use.